Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful big border, excellent turning design border collection in copper jari finish, a very beautiful color here, bottle green, green mixed with black to get a beautiful bottle green color. The buttas are very visible on this dark base, copper jari finish buttas, borderless concept on the top, and we have a very beautiful 12-inch big border in maroon color in the bottom, and you can see the copper jari finish work, semicircles, and inside it we have the kanji tech beautiful peacock work, very elegantly done one, different as well as a new launch. And we have the same maroon color pallu. Pallu also have the copper jari finish work, very beautiful rich pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is really traditional with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful turning design border sarees in copper zari work, a very pretty dark shade color, dark brown, very beautiful dark brown with this dark chocolate brown mixed with black to get a finest dark shade color, very beautiful with buttas also in copper zari. Here and there the buttas are done vertically, and we have a very rich border in the bottom, that is a turning border, semicircles, and inside that you can see beautiful birds design, very elegantly hand woven, done in a single color. Even the pallu, the blouse piece as well as the body is completely in same color, dark shade. Pallu is also very pretty using the copper zari, finely handcrafted, completely Aravatam work, clear work saree with plain blouse piece. A very rich collection, completely hand woven with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful thread border collection with an exclusive color combinations. Here we have a beautiful combo, dark brown, coffee brown in a darker shade, body with beautiful arrow buttas. Buttas are done using copper zari and silver zari alternatively, borderless concept on the top, and very beautiful thread turning border on the bottom. Pink is used here, and the Meena work is done using the copper and silver thread jaris. Excellently it's been done, a beautiful workmanship. And we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a Rani pink here with the both sarees used, mostly copper with the silver zari Meena work. And we have plain Rani pink pallu. Blouse, this pallu color blouse piece it is, and the combination is very different. Dark color is also very nice with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a big border, very beautiful double warp silk, elegant grand saree, dark base color. The body of the saree is dark brown, excellent coffee brown in a dark shade, black mixed brown color. And you can see the mango design buttas, perfectly weaved buttas. And we have 4 inches border in the top with a thin border in pallu color, and a very big 12 inches border in the bottom with kanji type weaving, jacquard weaving, peacock. Very beautifully done work, completely handcrafted work. And the border and the pallu are in dark violet, that is magenta pink and black mixed color. A very grand pallu again. We have plain blouse piece with one side border design. Elegant, grand, best saree for your grand occasions. The dark base color as well as the pallu color is dark color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design, completely in single color, very elegant concept saree, new launch. See a rich border. The color of the saree is completely a mild kadathu color, the peacock neck blue and green mixed color, ever trending, ever wanted, beautiful color with the top borderless concept. And we have a beautiful small design buttas done using copper. The complete saree is done using copper jari work. You can see a very beautiful different design in the turning border, copper, original copper jari, finely crafted saree. And the complete saree, the pallu and the blouse piece are also in the same color with copper jari finish, beautiful design in the pallu. And we have the pallu tassels already made with plain blouse piece. Beautiful one, very elegant saree, new concept, very beautiful and trending with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful turning design sarees in an excellent big border collection. And we have an excellent color combination too, dark ananda blue color saree with body have buttas in small peacock design, beautifully crafted design with a thin border in the pallu color at the top and a very big border at the bottom. That is also in pallu color, and the gold jari is weaved here, turning border, beautiful and rich one. combination is very different because the color of the pallu is dual tone. Blue mixed with pink to get an excellent tone here. And it's a 3D type pallu with gold jari work and same color. Pallu color works this. Differently colored saree here with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful big turning design borders in a trendy copper jari work. And here we have a very beautiful black saree, magnificent black color, completely in black, and you can see the copper looking really rich on the black base. The buttas are also handcrafted ones here in copper, and the logo turning border is also copper. Original copper zari is used, and really the copper glow and the shade is visible on this particular color, black. Very elegant one, no words to describe it exactly. With the pallu also with a very elegant copper jari work. Plain blouse piece, pallu tassels are already made. A magnificent, beautiful, majestic black here, completely handcrafted one with copper zari, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful thread turning design border saree. The complete saree have thread work only, no zari at all in this saree. A very elegant color too, dual tone color. Bright orange is mixed with pink to get a beautiful shade it is. Pink and red mixed color, very beautiful and attractive color it is, with the thread buttas, arrow shape, green and dark blue used for the butta weaving. A completely hand weaved beautiful saree. The border is concept butta and a turning design border at the bottom. Big turning design. You can see the thread work. Meena work is also done using the opposite zari color, the thread color. Green is used totally, and Meena work is done using blue. And the pallu is also here in the same body color, completely thread work, Meena work, beautiful pallu, workmanship saree, contains a lot of labor with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent saree, beautiful combination, and the work is also a premium traditional work with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a thread weaving beautiful collection, a traditional workmanship collection. Consumes the beautiful work consuming process done completely using silk thread. The people who want a saree without zari can opt for this. And here we have a purple shade color saree, beautiful purple all over, and the thread work is very apt and beautiful on this color. Light blue and orange is used for the weaving here, arrow design. On top we have a borderless concept and a very beautiful orange turning border in the bottom. Silk weaving, you can see silk thread is used for the turning border as well, with the Meena work done using the light blue color. The same concept is given in the pallu also on same base color, mango design with Meena work, and we have plain blouse piece in same purple shade color. Very elegant one, complete handcrafted beautiful collection, a traditional one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful big turning border design sarees in gold jari. Excellent grand saree here, completely handcrafted. The beautiful color combination, a very different rust color almost. Beautiful color with mango design buttas, and we have a normal 4-inch jari border and a thin border in the top, and a very beautiful turning design border at the bottom. It is in pallu color. It's a very different pink color. You can see the peacock floral pattern on both sides of the turning border, and between we have tissue border completely in gold jari. Grand one. Same color is given for the pallu. It's a very different pink. You can see a checks pattern in gold jari weaving in the pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece with both one side jari borders. Excellent and very different color with authentic